on, guys? This is Titan, aka T, here to give you guys another video on Sheep Army, whatever you want to call it. I'm here to go over that. So if you're unsure about selling, if you're unsure about buying, where it's going to go, is this a crash? Is Shiba just correcting? Can it go back up? I'm here to go over all that. So if you like this kind of content, if you're interested in this kind of content, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I'm also going to go over some stocks. Well, not some stocks, but just a stock that I did give to you guys about 2 videos back, which is DraftKings, and how we are up on it right now. All right. So if you like this content, again, like, subscribe, comment, any stock, any cryptocurrency you may be interested in, and where do you think SHIB is going to go from here, all right? But anyway, without further ado, let's get right to it, okay? So, as of now, what goes up must come down, okay? What goes up must come down eventually, guys. And SHIB has been running non-stop. It's been running like crazy. So eventually it has to cool off, okay? That's the name of the game. That's how stocks work. That's how crypto work. That's just how the market works, okay? Eventually something has to cool off. It can't just keep running forever, all right? So when Bitcoin hit 55,000, and if you don't know, SHIB follows Bitcoin now because SHIB is actually listed on, platforms, like actual platforms such as Coinbase and so on, okay? But when Bitcoin hit 55,000, it is a psychological level. So it only made sense that Bitcoin would have a hard time breaking past 55,000 and retracing or, just go back down briefly, okay? So it only makes sense that the other cryptocurrencies and altcoins and meme coins, whatever the case may be, are going to follow Bitcoin, okay? And Ethereum, of course. But it only makes sense, right? So that was the perfect opportunity for SHIB to calm down, to relax, to just cool off because it's been running non-stop, just crazy, okay? So do I think SHIB is crashing? No, I do not. I do not think it is over. Reason being is that we have way too many catalysts ahead for SHIB to stop now, okay? It just needs to cool off, okay? That's just the name of the game, guys. That's how it works. SHIB just needs to cool off, all right? So yeah, it only makes sense. We got this Robinhood, we got Robinhood listing. We got these SHIB NFTs. I think it got listed on another platform like earlier today or something like that. So, it only makes sense, okay? So it's going to make sense. Now, the only time you should start worrying as far as SHIB and like it stopped running is when there's no catalyst. Not even no catalyst, but like when the catalysts are starting to dwindle down, like the events, like big events such as Robinhood listing and things like that. When those start going away and it's less and less catalyst, kind of like what happened to Doge, then that's when you start, considering should you stay in SHIB or not, should you start selling, because of now Doge has no huge catalyst. Elon Musk is barely talking about it anymore. So it's not going to go anywhere. If anything, it's just going to follow wherever Bitcoin goes. So same concept with this, okay? Stocks, crypto, they all move off events, off catalysts, off future events, off catalysts, okay? So just keep that in mind. So anyway, to the point, no, I do not think this is over. I do not think SHIB is crashing or anything like that. I still think we have more in the tank, okay? In comparison to what happened to Doge, this last run was absolutely not even close, okay? So where I think SHIB can go from here, last video I did say SHIB is going to hit that 0.35. That was literally yesterday. I posted that video and I said it's heading to 0.35, and it was only at 0.26. It was at 2.6, okay? So when I posted that video, like literally like minutes later after I posted that video, SHIB just started flying. I said it needs to break 2.8 and it broke 2.8. Then I said it needs to break 3.0. It broke 3.0 and then it went to 3.5. And then that was it. It kind of just, that was it. Okay, so it's not completely it. It's not over. I don't think it's over. I do think we can see that 4.0, 4.5. Now, as far as when, I'm not an oracle or anything like that, nor am I a financial advisor. But as far as when, and I could be completely wrong as far as when, because whatever, and that's fine if I'm wrong. I'm not an oracle, okay? As far as when this could happen, I do think it's either going to be this weekend or sometime next week during CPI reports, okay, for this, the overall market, stock market and all that stuff. And I do think Bitcoin is going to see new highs. Somewhere around 70K, 75K is what we're going to see soon. Okay. Again, I could be wrong. I can't see the future, but this is just all experience. This is years of experience, guys. And that's how, I see YouTubers saying you can't do a technical analysis on Shiba. And I'm just like, I literally just did it yesterday. You can definitely you can definitely do a technical analysis on SHIB. Okay, just because it's fairly new and it's running does not mean, I don't know. But anyway, so be cautious of people who say stuff like that. YouTubers who say stuff like that. If anything, they're just speak. If they are giving you prices such as a penny, $10, and things like that, then and they have no technical analysis behind it, then you want to be cautious of stuff like that. They're just basing everything they say off fundamentals, and nothing is showing that SHIB will even reach $10. And I think somebody asked me that, like, can it hit $10? It won't happen no time soon. It definitely won't happen no time soon. That's just me being realistic. It's not gonna happen overnight or anything like that. That's just unrealistic. The market cap doesn't support that price at all, and we're nowhere even near that price. So one step at a time, guys. Baby steps. So right now, I did draw the support. I mean, not well. It was support. It's kind of resistance right now, but I did draw this resistance out for the group, the Discord group. And as you guys can see, we had pressure here, and it kept dropping. And eventually, we broke out. So this resistance is weak. Okay, so it does make sense that SHIB broke below it pretty easily. Okay, but it's still considered major support or resistance right now. And as you guys can see, the buyers are trying to push this back up. And I even sent out to my group, to the Discord group, that hey, my computer is okay. There we go. And I even sent out to the Discord group, um, hey, this is the major support. You may want to consider investing here, or whatever the case may be. It's completely up to them. But overall, that's what I sent to the Discord group. Because as you guys can see, that 2-4 is major support zone, and as you can see, we are pretty much leaving it. Okay, it looks like we're leaving it. We just need more buying pressure, and right now the buyers are stepping in on this. Okay, so yeah. So after that, obviously, the main idea for us, for what the main thing for us, for what we need to happen, sorry, what we need to happen is for SHIB to get back above 3-0. Okay, 3-0 is where we need SHIB to get back above, with volume, with pressure, for us to see, for us to be comfortable. I'll say that much. For us to be comfortable. Okay, and then our next move will be obviously that 3-5. And then if we get past 3-5, which I think will be easy once we get close to that, we're going to see 4-0 and then 4-5. Between 4-5, 4-7. Okay, once we get between 4-5 and 4-7, it's going to be, I think it's going to be a rough time. Okay, I honestly think it's going to be a rough time, guys. That 5-0 is a psychological level, and remember what I said about Bitcoin, 55,000. That's a psychological level, and and you see it had a hard time breaking past that. So I think it's going to happen the same with SHIB, where we're going to have a hard time getting past 5-0. Okay, so at that point, I would consider, me personally, you don't have to follow, whatever the case may be, me personally, I will start selling some SHIB around that range. You can call me paper hands, whatever the case may be, but we're here to make money. We're not here to sell dreams or anything like that. I'm here to make money. I'm here to create wealth. That's it. That's the point of investing. That's one of the points in investing. All right. So, yeah. So around 4-5, 4-7 is where I'm going to consider selling some SHIB, not my full position, but just around that area, because I know 5-0, or I feel like 5-0 is going to be a tough time. Okay, but it all depends. It all depends on the overall crypto market. If Bitcoin just flies next week to those new highs, or flies sometime in the future towards those new highs, then I am all in. Okay, but as you can see, we're pretty much just teasing this resistance here. We're just going back and forth. Okay, so it's actually creating a new resistance. Well, a new point. I think I might have drawn that out wrong on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, I definitely did. Okay, so I drew it out wrong on a 15-minute chart, and that's fine. But overall, I still believe in SHIB. Hopefully you guys still believe in SHIB. Don't give up on it. Dips are normal. Corrections are normal. This is part of the game, guys. It makes sense, okay? This happens all the time. When something runs up, it must come down eventually. and I do not think this is over. All right. Anyway, so in 2 videos ago, I did give you guys DraftKings. I said we are going to do a $55 call for November 19th. And if you took it the next day, because it was at like 40, low 49s the next day, the next morning after I released that video, you should be up right now. You should be up really, not really good, but decent. You should be up decent amount. And I do think DraftKings is going to continue to run. We have plenty of time. Remember, your profit is 60%. You want to take profit around 60%. However, I do think by DraftKings is going to go over $60 around by that time. So keep that in mind. But overall, don't be greedy. If it goes below 47, then get out of DraftKings. But overall, when you take profit, it's completely up to you. Okay, so yeah, KWB. I also did a video saying we took KWB. I don't know how many videos ago that was, but we did close out KWB. That was a great trade. It was like we took it at like around 45. We did a $48 call, and as you guys can see, money. Okay, and that was like, I think we took this like a few days ago. So easy money right there. Okay. So, here and there I will, release, like, give you guys like little freebies as far as swing trading. Don't get too used to it, but here and there I will let you guys know what kind of plays we are in. Okay. So we closed out KWB, easy money. So if you're still in that, congratulations. Feel free to close out whenever you want. Completely up to you. All right. But hopefully you guys got something out this video. Again, I think SHIB is going to run again. I think it's just consolidating. I think it's just following Bitcoin right now. And if Bitcoin breaks 55K with volume, then SHIB will most likely take off right with it. Okay, not like right away. Don't expect to move right away, because Bitcoin tends to like move ahead of altcoins, and then altcoins follow behind like days later or so. But I could be wrong. So yeah, other than that, guys, also I will be going live this weekend on YouTube, and we will do live session on SHIB. We will watch it. We'll hang out. We'll chill. You guys can ask whatever questions you want to ask me. What you think. Do you think I'm lying? Do you think I don't make sense? Do you think, whatever the case may be, do you think I'm cool? Do you like my voice? All that fun stuff. Okay, so yeah. So it's gonna be a live session, most likely Saturday. So throw on your notifications, like, subscribe, and until next time, guys.